The Mercedes-Benz Vito raises your game. Here's how it developed. The high-quality standards of the Mercedes-Benz production system apply right from the start with the selection of raw materials. The typical Vito shape is created in the body shop by assembling 500 individual components. Here, approximately 600 robots and 800 humans are working together in a carefully coordinated, harmonious way. Each body in white has nearly 7,500 welding spots. The next step is an immersion bath in the cathodic dip tank. The pre-treatment of the varnish alone comprises 10 stages. The end result is maximum protection against corrosion. Spraying robots apply additional layers, and finally the top coat. The Vito receives its individual color. In 2019, more than 70 different colors were used. In this perfectly illuminated environment, the employees examine every square centimeter closely. During the assembly process, the individual components are put together. The highlight is the so-called marriage, the union of the chassis with the drivetrain. You can feel ever more clearly that step by step, the painted body is turned into a fully functional van. But not all Vitos are alike. There's a large number of possible variants of what a customized vehicle might look like. A logistical masterpiece. Each part delivered must arrive at the respective assembly station by the second. Little by little, the popular all-rounder is given its characteristic appearance, until the Vito finally comes to life. Last, the finishing operations. Initial endurance tests are conducted at the test benches. Optical and tactile checks leave no doubt as to the high quality of the vehicle. From the assembly line into freedom, so that the vehicle can finally follow its destiny.